the day America almost nuked the moon. In 1958, the United States created a secret plan to detonate a nuclear bomb on the moon. And no, this isn't a conspiracy theory. It's a real declassified project. At the time, the Cold War was in full swing, and the Soviet Union had just shocked the world by launching Sputnik 1 launch. America was losing the space race and needed a way to prove its power. So the U.S. Air Force came up with an insane idea. Launch a nuclear bomb to the moon and detonate it where people on Earth could actually see the flash. The project was called Project A119. And it wasn't just talk. Scientists were assigned to calculate the mission, including a young graduate student named Carl Sagan, years before he became famous. The goal was simple: create a giant visible explosion on the moon and show the world that America could reach another world with nuclear weapons. The bomb was selected, calculations were done, the project was moving forward. But then it was suddenly canceled. Why? Officials feared the public reaction. If the rocket failed, it would be a global embarrassment. If it succeeded, people might see it as reckless and dangerous. But here's the twist. Years later, historians discovered that the Soviet Union had its own secret lunar nuke plan called Project E4. That means both superpowers were independently planning to nuke the moon at nearly the same time. America had Project A119. The USSR had Project E4. Neither side knew the full details of the other's plan. So humanity came shockingly close to witnessing the first nuclear explosion on another world. And the target was the moon.